guys, this is Ray. So today we'll be checking through another feature called the Pro League. So the Pro League is quite similar to the Fantasy League in terms of how you create your league, how you join a league, how you fund your wallet and all. But the whole concept of the Pro League is different. The Pro League is a type of prediction competition where you get to have 20 to 30 predictions or 30 fixtures every week. Then you make three predictions. Like you predict three fixtures, you must get three fixtures right. So if you for every correct prediction you make, you get 3 points. Then for every wrong prediction you make, you get 0 points. And let's say you predict a fixture. Let's say Chelsea versus Arsenal fixture, and they drew. Let's say they drew 2-2. So that means that's a draw, and you get 1 point. Though when it comes to the Pro League, the goal scored is very important. Like the goal difference in the fixture is very important, as they are used as the go for and go against, and they are used for the table. So that means in that particular match, you have to go favored and you have to go against, and that will actually be used for your goal difference, which will also be used for the table. So let's check through the fixtures, the fixture, and we will explain better. So you can see the pick games, create a league, join a league, your leagues and tables, admin management. So let's quickly check through the tips. At the beginning of every week, mostly Mondays, there is a list of 20 to 30 matches. You're expected to choose 3 matches of your choice, and you pick the team you think may win in each of your chosen 3 matches for the game week. So 1 hour before the beginning of the first match of the game week, the first fixture, you will not be allowed to pick games until after that game week. That means the deadline is usually an hour before the first match. If the team you pick won, you get 3 points. If the team drew, you get 1 point, and if the team lose, you get 0 points. If all the 3 teams you pick, if all the 3 teams won, you win 9 points in total. Also, the score lines are recorded for you. That is the goal for, the goal against, and the goal difference are recorded in your league table. For instance, if one of the 3 matches you pick is Newcastle versus Norwich City, and Newcastle won, you earn 3 points for this. If Newcastle drew, you earn 1 point, and if they lost, you earn 0 points. Same goes for the other 2 matches you pick. So that's the way that's the whole concept about the Super Fantasy Pro League. So how do you pick your games? You can see here, pick games. So you can see the game here. So let's say Liverpool versus Bayern. Pick a game. Okay, I'm picking Liverpool. You can see success. You picked Liverpool. And for Atletico, surely I'll pick Chelsea because I'm a Chelsea fan. Even though they can be clowns at times. Then Madrid has now, definitely Madrid, Allah Madrid. So you can see success you pick. So you can see I've successfully picked 3 fixtures, though only few fixtures were made available for this video. So but every week you get to have 20 to 30 fixtures. So I picked 3 fixtures. You can see here, you can see this tab here, 3 of 3 games picked. You can see, let's check. You can see Arsenal versus Real Madrid, picked Real Madrid. Atletico versus Chelsea, picked Chelsea. Liverpool versus Bayern, picked Liverpool. You can see. So you can check your game results, though the game has not played yet. Previous game results, current game results. So the game has not played yet. But if you want to check your game result, that's where you check it. Then you check the what's it called. Okay, let's say you want to change the games you picked. So you can come here, cancel and change game. So you can see. So probably I want to change the Liverpool versus Bayern. I can delete Liverpool versus Bayern, then come back here and pick Man U versus Korea. Let's pick Man U. Pick game. Man U. Pick your game. Sussex. Man U. So if you come here, 3 games week, you can see now we have Man U here. You see, so that's the way it works. That's the way the fixture works. So I'll just show us the create a league, join a league fixture. So create a league is almost similar. So let's say Dre Pro League, Dre Pro League. You can see if it's a form mode, you click, and if it's cash mode too, you click and you fill in the details. And if you want to fund your wallet the same way, so let's use the form mode so that we can quickly copy. You can copy the league code and share with your friends as well the same way. So you can check your leagues and tables. Let's check. So you can see Dre Pro League here. You can see here, this is the table. So I want us to check another league and table. So let's check Chelsea league. You can see the way it is. Avengers are came. You can see. So you get to have your total points. You get to have your played total matches played. So you get to have matches won 19 for the first player here. He drew 5, he lost 9. The goal favored 45. The goal against 39. You can see his total accumulated point is 62. So for in that particular league though. So you can also see you can join a league too. The same way, you enter your league code. Then after you enter your league code, you click on the join league. So I don't want us to waste much of our time there, since we've explained it in different in one of our previous video. Then admin management, same way, manage, and you get there. So you can block and you can unblock. It's the same way. It's not different. So that's everything about the Super Fantasy Pro League. It's actually thrilling. It's fun filled. It's exciting. Yeah, thank you.